Thanks for signing up to volunteer with Glassroots at Glass Half Full. You'll help us start the process of turning bottles into sand for coastal restoration, disaster relief, and much more. There's just a few things to know before your shift. Your safety is our first priority. So, to keep you safe, we provide gloves, ear protection, and eye protection to use while you're here. You might be asked to move full cans into the shop. Be careful when pulling or rolling cans not to overexert yourself. Full cans are heavy. Glass Half Full is a busy, working industrial facility, so you won't be asked to go past the stop sign. There are employees who will take the cans all the way to the back to be emptied and then recycled. When trucks need to come and go, please stay out of the way and help keep recyclers safe by moving them out of the way too. There's an air-conditioned break room to get out of the heat and refill your water. Additionally, first aid is available just inside the shop to the left. Most folks have been here before, but sometimes you'll meet someone who needs a little more information. Welcome them, thank them for helping, and offer to help them with their glass. We ask folks to separate glass by color and remove caps. One of our employees will instruct you on that so you can help first-time recyclers. Pay special attention to kids. They might be excited to be here or a little scared. We're glad they're here too, but we need to keep them safe. Please wear closed-toed shoes to your volunteer shift. You may also want to bring sunscreen, sunglasses, a hat, and a water bottle. If you've got cut-resistant gloves, bring them along. Otherwise, you can wear some of ours. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.